Now,
Absolutely.
now, I see a lot of kids these days at the age of 2 years old, they know how to scroll like us,
True.
like a minute reel. Scroll,
Like a
scroll,
pro,
scroll.
they know how to
Right,
scroll and watch
right,
everything. Right.
right. So that is dangerous. So
Right.
the content they're watching should be resourceful, should be meaningful, right? As we say, is it replacing the language? So when my daughter watches resourceful content, right? Let's say she loves to watch Dora the Explorer. So she is learning, grasping a lot of new Spanish words and English words from that content. So
Right.
that is also helping her build a vocabulary, right?
Absolutely.
And then I ask her, like, if I need to have a conversation because I want her to respond back to me in those
Hmm.
words, I talk to her in the same way. Then I ask her, what is a blue color called in Spanish, or what is one called in Spanish? So she
Right.
responds to me. That's how she is talking to me, and she tells me, and she's learning that language also. So that is
Absolutely.
also very important. You should not only be worried about my child is spending so much time on screen. Even if your child is spending so much time on screen, what is your child watching? Is your child
Right.
learning something useful from it, or it's just watching for the sake of watching?
It's a
Also,
meaningful scrolling, or it's just like, just watching anything and everything on the
right,
screen, because internet access is so much easier for nowadays.
right.
So it is very easy for children to watch any kind of content on the screen. But what exactly they are watching, that is very important for every parent to focus upon. Completely
Yes,
agree with you. And also there is one major other concern like parents raise these days are, since they are also very much into onto their screen, whether they are using cell phones or whether they are using laptops or iPads for their work stuff as well, not only just for scrolling the Instagram reels but for work purpose, they are imitating the screen time in front of their children.
right,
So how to set or reset their own family time with their kids, that is
right.
also one of the major concerns I feel that needs to be addressed when we talk about screen time, parenting and toddlers.
Absolutely. So, this is a very good question, Rupashi, I feel like, because I'm also a parent,
Hmm.
I also want some time to myself after working for hours, then taking care of home and then managing a toddler. I want some time to myself. And,
Right.
when I give screen time to my daughter, I also sit on phone. And I'll be like, let's scroll. And then, I realize
Hmm.
I am missing the most important part, that is the time. The time is not in our hands, right? And when I have that particular time to connect with my daughter, interact with my daughter, what am I doing? I am also watching screen like her.
Hmm.
So, as a mother, what I've started taking small steps,
Hmm.
right? So, I immediately keep my phone and I tell my daughter, that 5 more minutes left to watch TV. I prepare her that we are about to switch off the TV. I prepare her for the transition so that,
Right.
tantrum doesn't happen. Of course, the tantrum will come. She's a toddler. She doesn't know how to express emotions. She's still learning. So, yes,
Right.
I know the tantrum is going to come, but the intensity of the tantrum will be way less than what it used to be, right?
Absolute.